Hey, I got one, man. It's a dude, he out there. It's a vacant property, he don't even have it, and he said he don't even want no profit, he just want to get rid of it.
How much you owe him?
He owe 163.
Oh! Let me see how much it's worth. Let me see how much it's worth. Hold on, just a second. What's the address?
1654 Emerald
Emerald
Drive.
Dune. Hold on, just a second. Oh, okay. All right, so Zillow say it's worth 265. That's 100 grand profit, baby. Hell, hotel. Ooh, let's burn, let's burn. Why?
And he said he's waiting for the email, so that's it.
All right, so send him a contract. Let me get that information.
And he's familiar with DocuSign, so.
Hey, dog, this house last sold for $295 in 2007. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hey, you know what it's like? It's like the fishermen that go out and hunt. You know, they have to be out all the time, like 4 months at a time. But like we can come in 7 days, make more than enough money, $1 million in 7 days, and go home. Oh shit. So